Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the triceps muscle. So this is the posterior side of the right upper limb. You can see the posterior fiber of the deltoid muscle. This one is the deltoid muscle and this one is the its posterior fibers. Okay, so this is the deltoid muscle, its posterior fibers, and this is the back of the arm, and this muscle is the triceps muscle. Tricep muscle is the only muscle of the back of the arm. As the name suggests, it having a three head. Here we can see this one is the long head, this one is the lateral head, and this is the medial head. Triceps having a three head, long head, lateral head, and the medial head. Now origin of this muscle. So long head, it arises from the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. It is longest among all three heads. This one is the lateral head, and this lateral head is arising from the oblique ridge on the upper part of posterior surface of the humerus, and it is corresponding with the radial groove. Then this is the medial head. Here you can see the medial head. Medial head is arising from the large triangular area present on the posterior surface of the humerus, just below the radial groove. So these are the three head, as the name suggests, triceps. Three head of the triceps: long head, lateral head, and the medial head. Long head is a part of intermuscular spaces. Okay. Now insertion of this muscle. So long and lateral head unite and form a single tendon. Here you can see the union of long head and the lateral head. They unite and form a single tendon and inserted on the superior surface of the posterior part of olecranon process. And the medial, this is the medial head. Medial head is inserted partly into the superficial tendon and partly into the olecranon process. This medial head is separated from the capsule of the elbow joint by a bursa, and it is few fibers are inserted on the capsule, and these fibers prevent the nipping of the capsule during the movements of the elbow joint. And these few fibers, they are also known as the articularis cubitis. Okay. Now the nerve supply of this muscle it is supplied by the radial nerve from the fibers of C7 and C8, and its action is it is the most powerful extensor of the elbow joint. So this is the triceps muscle with the three head, long head, lateral head, and the medial head. Thank you.